Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training. We're looking at our MEP project, and this is our basement plan on this side, and we've got all of our receptacles in here, good to go. And then we want to go over to our second level. So we're going to have a kitchen in here. This is going to be our architectural model. So we might want to do some things later on when we create sheets. Like we might want to do a call out view here for the kitchen area. And we'll just pull that right there. We don't really need anything yet, but let's just place that there for now. We all know how to do that. So basically if we just double click here, we'll have that individual view. And then we can go in here and do some things. So I'm going to just undo that because we're not ready for that just yet. Go away. Go away. Okay, there. So now I figured out for the power and all the base MEP stuff, it's probably best to do it in an MEP template. So since we got all of our electrical done here, I think we got our ceilings and everything. So we're gonna go and have a look at some other features and collaborate like copy monitor and so forth. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna leave this file. And I'm gonna close it out. And then I'm gonna open me a template, open a new one here. And I want to go down because these are only metric and not too many choices there, so we can browse it out here. Come on. Okay, so we want to go at the default electrical template because it's going to have everything we need in it, and we might go with the what else we got in here. So, but these are all of the templates. We got mechanical and plumbing. So let's go with our electrical for now. I'm going to open that. And we're going to say OK. So this is our electrical template, and this puts us on lighting. And then over here in the project browser, you'll see the power and elevations. So this is good for me because I didn't have to waste time, viewports, views, view views, view templates and things like that. So here we want to link in our architectural model. So I'm going to go to here, insert, and I'm going to do a Revit link. Where is that guy at? Let me see. I think it's in here. There it is. And we're going to go to internal origin. The origin, and we're going to say open. So if I next one out up here, I'll just close that. So there's our architectural model linked into our electrical template. So just to look at it in the 3D, that's what you have. So showing all the elements. I'm sure we're going to go through other things here like the structure and everything, but for now we're working with the electrical. So now what happens here, we want to go ahead and take two views here. So let's go to north elevation here, and we want to take a floor plan, a lighting plan. Then I'm going to window tile these. I don't necessarily need the 3D view for now. You want to window tile these again by just clicking WT, and then on ZA for zoom all. So these are our models, and they're linked. So what we want to do next is go to our collaborate tab here. And you want to select this item called copy monitor. So you pull that down and you can say you can use the current project or you want to do a link. So in our case, you want to select a link. So I'm going to select link. Okay. And there's my link. Wait a second. There it is. So I've got this link selected, and then here you'll see this action menu, I call them. Something means you want to do something. So I'm going to copy, and I'm going to go multiple here, and then I want to grab everything in both views. Uh-oh. Well, let's just go with this one for now. Let's do a crossing, grab everything. You should modify. Okay, I'm sorry, multiple crossing here. And then we want to select the filter. So what we actually want in this electrical file is we want the equipment, the fixtures. We don't need the floors. I think for, yeah, we need the lighting devices, lighting fixtures. We don't need plumbing. Uh-oh, we need that. We don't need plumbing. We don't need walls. But we need lighting fixtures, lighting devices, electrical fixtures, and electrical equipment. So I'm going to apply. Okay. So these have been copied into the model from the architect's drawing. Got some issues there. We might have to change some stuff around. But then here, once I've got everything I want filtered out, I want to select finish. And it's copying things in. It's copying everything to the electrical model. We should actually give this a name after this is done. But let's doing this thing. It's copying. Okay, we'll ignore that. We can ignore that. So now you want to come here and click finish again. So there, you should have all of these. Yep, they're in the model. They're in this drawing now. So all of our receptacles and electrical elements are into our electrical drawing. So now I would just go and do a save as file, save as, and this is going to be our save as a project, and this is going to be the electrical. Simple, straightforward. Yeah, I found this is the best way to do this. Use their templates. Electrical. Yeah, I'll just say electrical. And then I'll save it. I have my options here, only on one. Okay. And we'll save it. We might rename it to something else later. So now this is called our electrical. This file is called electrical. So all our electrical stuff will be happening here. And so then we've got our panel here selected. We got light fixtures. But then we might want to go and look in that elevation view. North elevation here. We might need to, definitely, we have to adjust these levels here so they can coincide with each other, else we have problems. So here, level 2, this is, okay. So this has to be aligned to this. And that has to be aligned to that. So this is going to be interesting, folks. Getting this in order, but we're going to do it. But for the most part, if we go back into our lighting, and then we go look in at power. So all of these views and levels are adjusted for us doing it this way. So we're going to do our electrical this way. Let's see our ceilings. See, that's the good thing about a template, man. It'll give you everything. There's our light fixtures. I don't see our switches. But so this is going to be our electrical. So then to run a circuit here, let's go here. You'll just select this guy. We'll do the whole thing. Hit power. And then it says select panel here. And there's your panel. And there's a panel. And so then you might want to edit this and go add additional circuits. But we want to clean this up, guys. Thank you for watching. Just want to get going. We're going to do this way. We're going to do the plumbing this way as well. So thank you all for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this all the time. Everybody be safe. And yeah, please subscribe, guys. It really helps out and support the channel. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Where's my 3D electrical? So this is going to be our electrical file. And I'm going to go ahead on and get this guy all circuited up. And we can do some stuff here. So like I said, it's better to have the electrical file and the mechanical file and then sort them, whatever. See, as you can see, there's all my receptacles in this bottle. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps to make videos like this all the time. Be safe, y'all. Bye. Love you.